Hello, welcome. Alethea here with Sail Along Sewing. We are still building our pattern of Simplicity 3151. Today we're working on the jacket. We have already completed the hat, the bra, and the shorts. And I lengthened my shorts. So let's get started. So Simplicity 3150, the jacket is looking like this, and we're working on that today. It doesn't have a collar. It has 5 buttons down the front and a cuff. So this is where we are working on the collar where the top of the jacket now, and then the cuffs and the hem. No cuffs, buttons, and then the hem. So I'm basting in my collar edge, and we're gonna go from there. As you know, I always baste my stuff to make sure my garments, my projects, to make sure I'm going in the correct direction, so it won't be so hard if I'm off track to get back on track. So I want to let you know, if you make it to the end of the video and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and leave me a comment that you are a new subscriber, so I can give you a great big warm welcome and a shout out. And if you already subscribed to the channel and you make it to the end of the video, I will shout you out and appreciate you always. So let's continue with the basting of this jacket, and then we're going to stitch it up and serge the edges, and I'll be back. So the collar area has been sewn all the way around, and I'm going to clean up my work by trimming the seams and clipping the curves. And this outer edge, I'm going to serge all the way around, because this flips over to the inside, and this is your inside facing. So I'm going to serge from here all the way around to the other end of the facing. And if you don't want to do that, you could use seam binding, but I'm going to use the serger. Tell me something. This is a gusset, and it's placed under the arm. And if you go to the sewing game, that was the last question that was asked. This is how it looks. It's a rectangular shape type 1. And it's in this pattern for under the arm, and it's sewn like that. That was my first time sewing a gusset. It was Gusset. It was confusing at first, quite hard to sew, but by the time I did the second one, it came out better. So let me know in the comments if you've sewn a gusset before. Don't forget the sewing game, the first of each month, so it's coming up real soon, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget sewing skill building Saturdays, every Saturday. And I appreciate you all. Let's continue. Right now I'm working on the cuffs. I have already basted one cuff in, and I'm working on basting the second one, and then we sew it up and continue from there. Okay, so I've stitched the cuff on the sleeve of the jacket. It was right side to wrong side, and it has to be folded up. And we're gonna have a seam allowance of 5/8 top stitch, and then it has to be folded up like that. So you're gonna top 5/8 of an inch seam, fold it under, top stitch, and then fold up the rest. And you're gonna tack it. Let's move on. So now you're looking at the completed sleeve of the jacket. It has been top stitched and folded up. I just have to attach it or put the little attachment so it won't come down. I've just completed the buttonholes on the front of the jacket. There were 5 buttonholes, and you can see I made a template of the buttonholes and attached it to the jacket. Then I went to the sewing machine and made the buttonholes. I'm gonna put freight check on it before I even take the paper off front and back. Freight check is used to keep things intact. Then I'm gonna take the paper off after the freight check has cured. So guys, this is the full outfit. The hat, the bra, the shorts, and the jacket. I have not completed it. As you can see, I wanted to hurry up and make this little video so you could see it. I made the buttonholes, serged the bottom. I got to do the hem and open up the buttonholes and sew the buttons. But this is how it's looking. And this pattern also calls for shoulder pads. I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I wanted you to see the outfit right quick. Okay guys, here's an update on the jacket. I put the buttons on them, as you can see. And I'm working on the hem. And the jacket will be completed. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you all. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.